Hi everyone, and welcome to Heidi's Homemade Quilts and More. This is Heidi. Hi, nice to meet you. First, before I get into anything else, let me talk a little bit about my channel. So, the name Heidi's Homemade Quilts and More is also my blog name, so if you want, you can check that out. And it's also my business name on Facebook, so you can check that out too. I really enjoy designing, making, and selling quilts. However, I do actually work at traveling, so I travel 52 weeks a year, which makes it difficult to make quilts. I also do a lot of other crafting, so that is where the and more comes in. For my birthday this year, I decided that I'm going to start a YouTube channel, so let's see how that goes. For this video, we're going to do a unboxing of some diamond paintings that I just received about half an hour ago from the mailman. So I guess we'll just get right into that. I haven't even opened it up yet, so this is a box, huge, very kind of heavy box. I think it says it is approximately, it doesn't have a weight on it. Usually, 14 pounds. It says 14 pounds, but it's heavier than 14 pounds because it was a little bit of a hefto carried in here. So we'll go ahead and open it up. I haven't even done that yet, okay? So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up and see what I got, because I order a lot of diamond paintings. I'm not really sure what I ordered. This is from Diamond Art Club, though, which is quickly becoming my favorite diamond painting seller. And holy boxes, I ordered a lot. So, they did their jobs. They're all smashed up. Okay. So, I ordered a bunch of clearance stuff, and I think I ordered a couple things that are new. So, first thing I ordered is the Autumn Light diamond squares with ABs. It's a 40 by 32, and let's see, can you see that? There you go. That's what it looks like. And next box. Alright, so this one was also on clearance. This one is Tears of Venus. This is a round with a B, and this is rather large. It's a 64 by 42. And that, there we go, is what that one looks like. Okay. Next one is also a clearance item. Wet Night. It's a round with ABs, and it is a 56 by 42. And let's see if I can get that the right direction. Okay, that is what that one looks like. Okay. Next, so that's 3 so far. So this is number 4. Oh, I've been wanting to get this one. I'm not really sure what took me so long. But this one is the Firefox, and he is round, and he's a 55 by 42. And that is that guy. See ya? All right. Next one up is, this is a new one. This is Willow. She is square with ABs and 42 by 59. And that is her. I'm not really into anime, but I thought that the colors were really cool, and I love fairies, so that it makes sense. Next up is, this one is actually I got from my dad. Obviously he doesn't know that yet, but I'm going to possibly do this. I already did a Christmas present for him, so I'm not sure if it's going to be for Christmas or whenever I get it done. But this is Lion Watercolor, and this is round with ABs. It's a 60 by 42, and that is what that guy looks like. And I can't remember if this was on clearance or if it was a new one. Okay, more. Oh, this one I've seen on several unboxings. This is Jade's Treasure. She's round with ABs and 42 by 42. And that one is that one. Okay. Next up is a bigger one. Got a couple big ones. Alright, so this one is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is number 8. I have 9 total, looks like. This is the Little Mermaid. She is square and she's 52 by 73. Another larger one. Alright, and that is that one. Okay. And one more, which is also large. This one I've been looking at, and I finally just decided to go ahead and order it. This is Dark Times square. It's a 93 by 55. I was feeling ambitious. But this one is, I don't know if you can see that, is that guy. Okay. Alright. So that is everything in the box. The box is empty. Yay. So that's 9. So let's go ahead and take a look at what these look like. And the drills and all that stuff. Because that's what everybody wants to see, right? The unboxing. Alright, let me find my blade that I buried under all these boxes. Okay, and there it is. Okay, so the way I open these is probably weird to some people. But I only cut like the top part of the plastic off because I like to keep the plastic on the boxes. I feel like it like secures the box a little bit better when I store them. So I store them in their boxes. Since I travel 52 weeks a year, I do not have an actual place to live. I actually either get myself a hotel room or I stay at my dad's house, which is where I'm at right now. So, there's going to be a little bit of crinkling while I take this stuff off. So, there you go. Ooh, look at those diamonds. Lots of pretty, pretty colors. And this one, I guess I should have told you, is the Wet Night. Again, that's what it looks like. Okay. And then here is the actual painting. And again, this one is round and it's got your basic toolkit that Diamond Art Club always has. It has the clear boat with the funnel, which I love boats with funnels, although I'm not a huge fan of the clear, especially when I'm using a light pad. I can't see if the diamond is flipped the right way when I'm using the light pad, because I usually set it on top of the light pad. But that, whatever. Comes with a handful of baggies, which what I do with the baggies, I actually take them all and put them in their own little bag, and then I can use them as I need to when I'm getting up my projects. It comes with the normal blue pen, and nothing special. Gripper, which I never use, they never seem to really fit on it right. And then 2 wax hearts. And it looks like a 3 placers in there. Yeah, a 3 placer, I think it is. I don't know. I never actually use these. I find them really difficult and awkward to use. But I know a lot of people just love them. But it comes with a 3 placer, which tells me that there's probably not a lot of big areas, there's probably going to be a lot of confetti. Yay! Alright, so that's the kit that one comes with. And I'm sure that's pretty much the kit that most of them come with. The only difference between the square and the round is the tweezers. So, let's take a look at this canvas. I really enjoy Diamond Art Club for the fact that the canvases are sparkly. Because if you're going to do a diamond painting, you want it to sparkle. And looking at the canvas that is sparkly along with it, I think is just fun. Another thing that I've noticed with Diamond Art Club is that because it's a poured glue, the cover plastic does not necessarily, sometimes it looks like there's like little rivers and stuff in it, but it doesn't really do anything to the painting. So over on this side is where you have the little thumbnail. It's right there. See that? There's your little thumbnail. And isn't this gorgeous? This is like the sweet spot of diamond paintings. Okay. It's like the perfect size for detail, to get enough detail to see what it is. Little ones, I don't do a whole lot of little ones because they, you can't really tell what they are. I've done a couple, and since then I'm just like, nope, this is kind of my sweet spot. So, so there it is. Very, very pretty. Lots of reds and blues, yellows. So again, the symbols are super, super clear. Really, really easy to see that. Okay. And I don't know if you can tell, but that is super sparkly. See that shimmer? Oh, it's awesome. Alright, so let's roll that back up. And we'll look at some of the diamonds. I'm a huge fan of Diamond Art Club's diamonds. They are more universal in size to me than some of the other diamond painting companies. So let's take a look. And there's going to be a little bit of crinkling because again, I just opened it. So sorry about that, but let's take a look. Alright. And just like always, there's going to be a huge strip of diamonds. And they have the numbers stamped on the little packages. So there's lots of red. Alright. Very, 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 very shiny. Is this this one has ABs, so let's see where ABs are. Alright, so let's take a look here. We got some 321, 498, 814, 380, 3843, right there. I just bagged up some of those on one that I just got done putting up. This one here, 744. 606 is a orangey red. 3811. Ooh, hey, look at that. Look at that. Pretty. I don't know if you can see that. That is AB. That is the Aurora Borealis in yellow. See that? There's a couple hitchhikers in there. A couple green ones. Alright, we got 797. And then we have another AB. This is 138, and there's a little red one in there too. 138. Look at that spark. Okay. That's 740. 947. 941. I'm sorry, 741. 310. There's only 2 bags of 310, so that's good. There's not a whole lot of black in there. 742. 2 bags of that. 742. 939. Looks like some 742 might have gotten there. There you go. 3865. There's that one. And then there's a few more. We got some 913. 210. Pretty color. 699. 992. 550. There you go. 3607. 208. 938. 820. 907. 701. 3772. 3814. 154. 413. 906. 775. 796. 597. And 832. Looks like everything is there. I'll put that to the side. All right, let's move on to the next one. All right, so this one is Tears of Venus. This one I looked at a couple times when I was doing this order, and it just caught my eye. So I'm like, you know what? Keep looking at it. Might as well get it, because you know, why not, right? Even though I probably have more diamonds and I could probably finish anytime soon. Doesn't seem like a whole lot of diamonds though, so. And this is round with babies. And there's that. And the standard round here. Okay. There. Right, and this one came in a clear bag, so I'm sure if it means it's newer or older than the other one. All right, so it has 35 colors, and here's your thumbnail right there. Okay. And just like all the other ones, it is very shiny. And this is gorgeous. Just gorgeous. What is? Oh, and this one has the sticker with it. And visit our store. I haven't gotten a whole lot of these. I've only gotten, so this must be a newer one actually. I have only gotten the sticker inventory sheets with, I believe, the glowing Christmas one, limited edition. So there's a sticker. So you can make this into stickers, and then you can put this on like your kit, whatever you get it up in. I just like to put it like in like a bag with all the other stuff that goes with it. All right, so let's take a look at this. This is pretty. All right, there she is. That's really pretty. And again, she is 64 by 42. And I did not do this with the last one, but let's go ahead and measure that. Diamond Art Club usually is the size of, the image is actually the size they tell you, not the size of the canvas. So, let's see. 42 and a half. And I've got right down here for a second here. And we've got 60, just over 64. And again, it said it was 64 by 42, so it is dead on. Alright, we'll go for it. I'll take a look at some of these diamonds. And again, this one is round. Okay, put it in the plastic. Keep it as clean as possible. I do have a puppy whose name is Sirius Black, and if I think about it, I will try to put a picture in on this video if I can figure out how to do that. Otherwise, I'm sure at some point you will see him. He is at my mom's at the moment, playing with his brother. So, he is about 15 years old, and he is a Morphe, and he is really starting to bark now. So it's been fun. Anything and everything he is barking at. So there was one loose one, number 814. Okay. I got a couple strips. Ooh, I see an 80 in there. Alright. We have, oh, yeah, there he is. Okay. Got AB 132 right there. It's orangey. It's really pretty. There's like some, it's like a hitchhiker in there. A couple of them. A red one and a blue. Okay. 3371. Blackish brown color. 3350. 379. 342. 355. 350. That's 550. 743. 961. 381. 413. Seems like there's an awful lot of hitchhikers in there. There's another AB. This one's white with like a pinky mother of pearl color to it. That's 141. I don't know if you can see that. 3830. 498. 823. 758. That must be for skin. 815. 312. 317 and 322. That's the first strip. I'll put that here. And then the next strip. We got a multiple bags. Alright. That's here. 321. 414. 666. 310. Not a whole lot of 310. 803. 754. 356. 3778. 939. 648. 2 bags of Ecru. 2 bags of 318. 3024 and 344. Okay, so that is all of them for her. Okay, we'll do one more and then we will, I'll pause you and, well, I don't know as if I'll pause you, but we need to clean it a little bit so I have room to put other things out. Alright. So this one, there we go. this one, ooh, this one's gonna be Willow. That one. And she is square with ABs, 42 by 59. And she is another clear bag. Oh, I can already see ABs in there. That's beautiful. Okay. And then there is the standard square kits. The only difference then is just the tweezers that are in there. And I've never used the tweezers. Maybe one of these days I'll give it a shot. Okay. All right. So let's take a look at this one. So I always find it slightly creepy when people do videos and all you can see is their hands. Don't get me wrong, I do watch them, I like them. I like some of the people who do that. But I find it kind of creepy. So that's why I'm doing it this way. And I don't know, maybe I'll do a little bit of both. This one's got the sticker with it too. We'll give it a shot. Let me know what you think. Okay. So, we've got the sticker, and this is huge. Sticker. There she is. Pretty, pretty, pretty. And it has 40 colors on that one. It's a lot of colors. And looks like there are three ABs on this one. I'll give it a shot here. Alright, so this one goes long ways. So here she is. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at how clear that image is. Can you see that? That is gorgeous. It's so big. Pretty. She actually reminds me a lot of tattoos that I have. It also has vines going around a fairy, like it's tattooed on a fairy. Gorgeous. Let's take a look at some of these drills. Anybody knows why they're called drills? Put that in the comments below, because I've always been interested as to where that name came from. I'm assuming that there's a reason for it, but I'm not really sure what that reason is. So crinkles, lots of crinkles. All the little fine things are crinkles. Okay. Oh, there's lots of loose ones. This is interesting. I've never seen so many loose ones like that. Wow. It's like all loose. Ooh, that is gorgeous. Oh, you've got to see this. I might just show you the ABs and be done with it, because you know what drills look like. Alright. Oh my gosh. You've got to see this. I don't know how well my camera's going to pick that up. Look at that. That is gorgeous. That is 136. That is fabulous. Alright, so that's AB1. Here's, let's see the other one. Here's another AB. And this one is another blue, but it's a light blue. It says 138. There you go. See that one? Alright. And then the other one was green. I saw it before I opened the package. There it is. Alright. And this is 134. And this one's green. See that? It's gorgeous. Very pretty. Alright. So then we're going to not trying to show you every single one of these, because you should know what they look like. But those are babies, and those are fabulous. So that one put it in there the right way. Okay, so next up is Firebox. So this one's going to have a ton of red and yellow, which is going to be pretty awesome. Not really any favorite colors. I do so much stuff with colors. I have a hard time having a favorite color. Does anybody else feel that way? It just seems like, how could you possibly not use a certain color? Doesn't seem like there's a whole lot. And toolkit. And this one is this is a round. Yeah, this is round. Firebox. Alright, he's got his clear diamond art club. Up. And let's take a look. And he again is 55 by 42. And oh, look backwards. Wow, that is some bright. Oh, I've never seen that before. Okay. That is very, very, very bright. All right. There he is. That's going to look awesome when he's done. Okay. Here's his little thumbnail. There he is. There are 30 colors in him. And we'll put him back, because we already know that he's the right size as it's done out. So, the thing I never saw before is this guy. He puts extra schematic inside the painting. I've never seen that in Dynarco before, but hey, I'm not gonna complain. I like having a separate inventory. Did that one say I can't reviews? Surprise! This one has an AB in it. Number 141 is an AB, and it is right here. I can see it. I'm not going to open this guy up because I trust that they are all in there. But I am going to show you this AB that is not listed. It is certainly not listed on the box. That is awesome. Surprise AB. So here he is. 141 in this creamy white. It's not quite white. Can you see that? I don't know if you can see that. You see that? Oh, there's some. You can see some of that sparkle there. All right. So that is Firebox. Okay. Put him back in his bag. And back in his box. And let's see if we can't get those back in there so I don't mix up there. Okay. So there's Firebox. Back in there. Okay. Alright, so this one is, I think this is the smallest one that I got this time. He is 40 by 32. And I say he's smaller simply because probably the direction they have it go. But the box is the smallest one. Alright, so this is a square with ABs, and this is the Autumn Light. Like a nice little walk in the park. There's a little park bench right there on there. Pretty. So there's your square toolkit. I'm not going to go over that. We know what that looks like. Here is the painting, and there is the, this has ABs in it, so we'll take to look and find those. I love that green. It's like a, I don't know, it's like a witchy green. Is like a peridot, and I think that is one of the ABs. Alright, so that is the Autumn Light. So let's take a look at this one. And this one is a clearance one. I never understood why when you put these back in the bag, it doesn't quite fit. I don't know if it's like the way that they shrink it on there or something. So we have 35 colors, and 3 of those colors are ABs. No, 1 AB? 1 AB? It just says 80. The regular ones are at what, 150, and so I have one under 150. And this is pretty. Look at that detail. Oh, see it? There's the schematic right there. I'm just hoping that you'll be able to tell that is like a bench, because it's supposed to be a bench. I'm just hoping that the size of this, you can still tell that it is a bench. Okay, and just like all of their paintings, it shimmers like crazy. It's just gorgeous. I love their canvases. And I've ordered from a lot, and I've actually got some orders that are supposed to arrive in a couple days. So the next time that I get back to my dad's, for Thanksgiving probably, I will be opening those and probably making a video. So we have, sticking to me, okay, so this guy there's 35 colors, and right there, number 135, that color is the one that I was saying. It was so gorgeous. I love that color. That like limey green, kind of witchy, it makes me think of witches. Or like cartoon witches. I think that is the only AB